Now I'm going to show you how to install a free trial of QuickBooks desktop software. Now it is time for us to prove to Intuit, who is the maker of QuickBooks, that we are a student at our college. So notice it says important. Your document must display the following: your full name. Paul Redmond was the person I was using as an example. Your affiliation, which is Lake Washington Institute of Technology. So in other words, the document that we give them must show Paul Redmond's name, our name, the name of the school, and a date within the last 3 months. So here are some examples of things that the system will accept: class schedule, transcript, tuition receipt, etc. I found that the transcript works pretty easy. So we need to pull up a transcript, and I will show you using my account. So we're going to go to the school's website, www.lwtech.edu. We're going to go to current students. We're going to go down to the student toolbox. Down on the lower right, we're going to click on transcript. I'm going to enter my student ID. Get my transcript. And now I need this. Now notice it has the date here, and it has my name, and it also has the name of the school. So what I need to do is I need to take a screen snip of this. So if you start the snipping tool, and you can go to the magnifying glass on your computer, which is what I'm doing off screen here, start the snipping tool. And notice I'm in the mode is a rectangular snip, which will work. And I click here on the new snip. I click and drag as much as I can. The main thing is that it has my name, school name, etc. And now I need to save this. Save it as transcript. And now I can go down here, click on Choose File, navigate to the file, and then I can click on Submit.